So hello, my name is Caleb, and I will spend 1 hour taking a look at Spring Boot and see what's new, or I don't know, just like I don't know, just I want to. This technology is like a very request, uh, so I'm giving it 1 hour. Spring Boot, Spring. By the way, I know I have used the Spring in the past, like some years ago, but as long as my employer wants, but on my own, I rarely, never, I study Spring. But this time around, you know, let's devote 1 hour. I have two certificates on Spring by Coursera from many years ago. I will set up Spring Boot 3.3.2.5. I have set up an alarm. The Spring Boot makes it easy to create standalone production-grade Spring-based applications that you can just run. We take an opinionated view of the Spring platform and third-party libraries, so you can get started with minimal tasks. Most Spring Boot applications need minimal Spring configuration. If you're looking for information about the specific version, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Features, create an online and did Tomcat, Yeti, Undertow. You know, this is like a Genesis son. Undertow. Directly, no need to deploy WAR files. Provide opinionated and start the dependency to the mother provide, oh my god. Super quick, try the Quickstar guide. Okay. Well, yeah, try building an application with Spring Boot. Let's do it. More specific, try building a RESTful web service. We will take a look at the three of these things. Or set up search to browse all of our guides homepage. Alright. Talks and videos. Minding up. Jumping from Spring Boot to 3. Okay, so there is something new, you know. They are even making clear with this link that there is something new. There is something for you to consider. Demystify anything internal ahead of time and native thinking for 3. All right. Bootstrap your application with Spring. I remember this. And this is a way for you to get some starter code. All right, Spring Quickstar guide. What you will build? You will build a classic hello world endpoint which any browser can connect to. You can even tell it your name. It will respond in a more way. What do you need? An integrate developer environment IDE. Popular choices include IntelliJ, Spring Tool, Visual Studio Code, or Eclipse. I remember Spring having a distribution, an IDE based on Eclipse several years ago. I don't know if they still do that. We recommend also Iberica JDK. I have 21, version 21 from Oracle. Start a new Spring Boot project. Use a standard to create a web project in the dependencies dialog. Search for and add the web dependency as shown in the screenshot. Hit the generate button, unload the zip, and unpack it into a folder of your computer. By the way, in here I will use NetBeans. It was by Sun Microsystems. Then Oracle sent it to Apache. Hit the generate button. Okay. Breaks created by a star contain Spring Boot, a framework that makes Spring ready to work inside your app. But without much code or configuration required. This is the quickest and most popular way to start Spring projects. Gradle. I don't want to install Gradle. I want to use Maven. Here is Maven. So Gradle is another thing. Groovy, Gradle. Yeah. I don't have Maven installed on Windows. Yes, I do have Maven, yes. The last couple of lines here tells us we have started with the Apache Tomcat server. It is acting as a web server. Okay. And it's listening for actually it's servlet. We open the browser and pop quiz. What should happen if you add name equals Amy at the end of the URL? Okay, before answering this question, let's do what they are telling us. Start a new playroom. Where is it? It's click this thing. Let's go over here. Initialize in the dependency dialog. Search for and add the web dependency. Web. Build web, including web. Here it is. And now, again, I don't want to use Ravel, I want to use Raven. Some people like Kotlin. Let's just stick with Java. They should support the Scala. And now Spring Boot, this is the stable version of this. I haven't paid my domain name. Sorry. Exploration. Yeah. 1 hour exploration. Spring Boot exploration. Exploration. Okay. We have 21. I don't know if this will work. We want to use Java or what? Java. But without much code, I just go unpack it, generate picture. Let's go directly See. This is why I don't record videos anymore because running out of space on my hard disk. So I'm doing this live. I'm exposing myself to ridiculize myself. But that's not a problem for me. People that is, we will come back to this series. Promise. I'm organizing myself with my time. I'm sorry. So let's create a project. My screen rediscover and rediscovering spring. Okay, that should do it. With us, yeah, what is it? Rediscovering spring here. Manage save. Looking for a job. You want like no, let's see if we are online. 11 minutes. I do have Maven installed. Add your code, open up the project in your IDE and locate the demo application, Java file, source main folder. Where is this? Exploration, not function, exploration, source code, our form, source. Okay, let's import this. Import um, NetBeans. They are in 21 version. I remember. Um, oops. Other IntelliJ idea having more features at this point of time. What happened over this Eclipse project organized Eclipse for picture of open project new project yeah, Maven just watching game was getting project models obligation. Where is the section in which you import Maven project? Don't employ other. The project is existing source. This is with Ant. the application will only type project with existing bomb. You got a winner. Really? Oh my God. Thank you. Hello. Hello. It's like uh, debería escucharse, mira, dónde está la filters. Game. Like, oh my goodness, Terry. Now it should be the audio should be clipped. But I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Let's use 25. 25. Ok. Cuando, cuando le subes todo el gain para aumentar. En realidad no sé teoría del sonido en cuanto a micrófonos. Entonces, sorry for the English people, English speaking people. I switched to Spanish because of this fellow, good fellow. Uh, what? Said that it wasn't, there wasn't any audio. Thank you very much. Videos, randoms. I have randoms in my mind because I am tackling Coursera algorithms. I am stuck in how to generate some random numbers without reusing some existing numbers. And if you put a condition in which you extract any given number, it will become slow, very slow. It happened to me in the tic-tac-toe implementation. And in the algorithms course, I have the constraint that we shown using a lot of memory. And this, your nickname brings me that pending task. Are you a software developer? Or are you interested in getting into programming? I can collaborate. I'm not sure. The audio should be like reaching over here because it is a lot of gain. The other day, the audio was bad. I don't know how to proper properly configure this thing. Thank you very much. Videos random, unloadable. Oh, so the thing doesn't like. So NetBeans is not helping us. Error. Where fixes of volume. Dependencies for is missing at line 20. There are some errors with the POM. according to this uh, this thing, sublime, what is sublime? And 20, let me see. Okay, error dependency one or spring window. That's missing. Um, start the test. This one is also missing. So this is how the project was generated. Not my fault. The result. Thank you, Visual Quantum. You're always here. English, the English book will arrive. I have structured my day in some hours devoted to studying the things that employers want from the candidates, like Spring, and some other hours will be for my own study things that I study, like computation, and there will be some guitar playing and some other hours for the community to go out to give something or like studying the English book for everybody. So things for employers, things that I personally like the guitar playing, Blender, something. Now what? Okay, this problem was resolved. So the problem was that NetBeans wanted to download. We have. Where is this? Okay, they are here. So it needed to bring these things, to download the dependencies. Look at this, and you will write a hello world. We have these packages. We have this Rediscovering package contact. I need to pay for this domain. Don't have any budget. Spring application. Okay, this is from like dependencies. Spring Boot. And the Spring Boot application. This is a notation for to tell the system that this is the entry point. The Spring application, run, exploration application, class apps. Okay. Magical. So there was mm, open the project in 25 minutes. Package open Google, open the file, demo folder, demo application, exploration application, okay, demo. Okay, they changed like we used another name. Demo folder. Now change the contents of file having extra method. Attention shown. in the code below. You can copy and paste the code or just type it. I want to, to build some muscle memory, so I will type the code. And hopefully NetBeans will help us importing missing Java block. Okay, missing Java block. Here's the Java block. SpringBoot application, SpringBoot application. We need to tell that it is a REST controller. REST controller. Now it doesn't find. Let's write Control Shift I, and we have a REST controller, which is over here. Framework web bind annotation. Web bind annotation REST controller. Okay, Spring gives you like an enormous foundation for you to just put your code and be ready for production. Okay. Spring application ROM. We have this demo. Okay. Backend mapping. This should be okay. This that's the main get mapping. I remember doing all this in the XML. Now everything annotations are cool. This didn't bring anything. Get mapping. Okay. Hello. It doesn't find this. Okay. Get mapping. Get mapping. And it's ordered, Code string. If this is to prevent static, code string. If this is too slow, and you want me to copy paste, this is the way I learn new stuff, or because if I copy paste, I get nothing from that unless I am trying to deliver something quickly. Then you should copy paste and tweak, or at this point of time using probably generative AI. I don't know, default value equals. Okay, hopefully you understand this. The get mapping, it's like the URL, and request file, the parameter name, you can change it. World. Thing. I forgot one import. You can do this at the end. What's happening here? I'm missing value. Why did I close? Now we have this parenthesis. This there's something wrong. Parenthesis and parenthesis. Parenthesis. And then let's put it over. I'm missing some parentheses. The format. I'm going to copy paste this because I don't want to write that. Still, let's see what's happening over here. Get mapping, see this is the URL. Public string hello and request param. Now the parameters in the URL. The value is main, the format is default. What's happening over here? What's going on in here? Is this a casting? There's no go over here. Okay, this is our code. This is all the code required to create a simple hello world with service in Spring Boot. Spring Boot. The hello method we have added is designed to take a string parameter called name, which is this, and then combine this parameter with the word hello in the code. This means that if you set your name to Amy in the request, the response will be hello Amy. Bueno, es necesario desde que temprano la carrera, igual. Oh, and it means that if you set your name to Amy in the request, the response will be hello Amy. Yeah. The REST controller, where is, okay. The REST controller annotation tells the Spring that this code describes an endpoint that should be made available over the web. An endpoint that should be made available over the web. The get mapping hello tells the Spring to use our hello method master request that gets sent to the okay. Finally, oh okay, here it is. The request param is telling a Spring to expect a name value in the request. But if it's not there, it will use the word borrow. The word borrow by default. Still, this looks silly. This looks silly. Try it. Let's build a program running line terminal. Navigate through the folder with the file. We can do about the application that is necessary command. You should see some output that looks very similar. error couldn't find or what main class, start class, start classes, description, process, scientific, and error. Okay, for us, we will try to review the on-prioritization. You see the full stack trace of the address with no way okay, we need to finish to fix this. We should do it. Not listening to music. Yeah. Okay, so let's do minus quiet. We can use this. We're going to delete this. Just we have access to MDN. Now let's do the Spring Boot. I don't remember. It was quiet. MDN Spring Spring Boot from white. The ones that allow public and private. Okay. It's running. Where's the port? Here it is. Contact port engagement. The thing has to the server and is listening for the request from localhost for login and now let's start only with this. The root. See, there's something white label error page. Okay. Now hello. And it says hello world, which is what we expected. But it is like in here it is like a big one. And for us it was like a small, like some paragraph. And for them it was like a hidden header, sorry, header. Just gonna put it down like this. And the post. Now we can answer the pop quiz. Ok, ¿por qué no haces directos de TikTok? Are you still there? It says views, one, concurrent viewers. He left. This person left. Left. I'm sorry, videos random. I didn't see your questions until now. He's asking why I don't do some TikTok direct content on TikTok. So yeah, I will thank you for the recommendation and this question. I will. This person is back. So why I don't do TikTok? I have this YouTube channel, and my God, this I didn't knew that it would be too much effort behind. The popular opinion is like these YouTubers just are like doing nothing, but there is a lot of work behind a YouTube channel. Um, I can do TikTok. I haven't explored TikTok. Some kids around over here say that they use TikTok and they watch shorts videos on TikTok. I I need to learn about social marketing, social media marketing, on how to promote my work on different platforms. I was thinking on Vimeo to charge money for some, uh, inspired by Adam Bean, some training on Vimeo and charge money. But first, something happened in that website, and I don't know. I will take a look at TikTok later this day or tomorrow in the morning if we don't go to the hospital and see if I can come up with a TikTok channel. But I can't, I can't maintain, I can't produce different content for different social media platforms. I don't know how that would be possible to make a live transmission, streaming to YouTube, and at the same time streaming to TikTok, or maybe one streaming live streaming will be exclusively for TikTok, and another streaming will be exclusively for YouTube. I will have to take a look, but I can. Even when I am unemployed, I don't have, because I want to tackle several things. My time is constrained. I should focus, but I don't know. I can't decide one topic to focus on. I like too many things. Thank you for your question. I will take a look at TikTok and see if it is like straightforward to upload content. I can't record any more videos because I don't have hard disk space. So I just want something for me to just press a button, and that's all. So now we can answer the question pop quiz. What should happen if you add this parameter to the end of the URL? Well, the explanation is over here. It is expecting this parameter in the request with the default value of world. In here, we are not sending any name, so it brings the default. Now we are going to append this to the request, and it should print hello Amy. See, hello Amy. And that's the end of the Spring. Yes, hello world. As you saw, it's very well documented. Every little step that you need to do, it's here in the website. This is great for any given tool to to make it easier, make it easy for newcomers or people jumping back into the technology or tool. Uh, you know, this is great. I don't know what else to say. Also, the code is provided for you, and the explanation is right here. I still have my doubts about this. I was expecting a comma over here. This feels like a casting, like they are trying to cast this string to this request param. Uh, but I understand the mechanics that what's happening over here. I still get it. Um, they are using Rado. The good thing is that they have this maiden uh, command, because if you don't have this and you experiment this error, you will have to take a to search within your favorite uh, like search engine and come up with this command. The good thing is that they put it over here, even when they're using Grapple, you can just infer that it is a main command. They're using this plugin with the run task with this flag, and that's all. Now they are inviting you to try these tutorials. We can devote 1 hour to Spring every day, but I'm not aspiring to become a Spring Boot expert. That requires lots of years. So I just wanted to, I am not a stillborn. I can take a look to Spring. I have nothing against with nothing against Spring. I like it. You see, I didn't feel bad. It was a great experience. This was a very cool experience. You have everything here to success. If you have an idea of web service, I don't want to implement any ideas where I can help enterprises or companies trying to deliver products. It's right here. Now we can, let's see what other things we have. This is the initializer. Build an application. No, and here can simple application. Okay, and here they are getting. This is like this. Hello world. This is like the hello world, but a little bit more complex. They are using unit testing. This is great, and I shall take a look at this. They're using press, yeah, unit Jupyter, the version 5. Look at this. This is like their DSL for you to compose your testing and spec status is okay and spec. Eventually, these things will be automatically written. Maybe 2 years from now, 5 years, they will arrive at the point. Maybe 10 years. This is like a more in-depth. So this is a shorter one. I will tackle this one tomorrow. And we have lots of guides over here. Look at this, Kafka. These things are being asked, requested all over the place. They are always asking, do you know Kafka? Do you know Rabbit? I mean, people, you learn the job on the jobs. On the job says Mr. Leslie Lamport. It's here. There is no way someone knows everything. I'm going to take a look to TikTok videos random. I promise you. But if it is a lot of work, I don't know. I have this YouTube already is like producing images and I don't know, music. I like to compose music for the sake of pleasure. Maybe building a RESTful web service. This guy wants you to have the process in the wall. Optimize, you also the name. About 15 minutes. Do we have 15 minutes? No, we have 9 minutes because we play the guitar and then take a walk. How to complete this guy? Like once we get the guitar, you know, they are giving you the code, but I don't know if they use Grabber. It says maybe. There's no Grabber over here. You can check it. Great. This is great. Well, I need to take a look at component package. In the services. Why didn't that mean I wanted to use wanted to run employee? What is the configuration? Mm-mm. This is from the green. And this target folder, you should remove it with NVN twin. But you know, we select we have selected our main class, but still this we don't have the Spring Boot in the way they are running the application. Look at this, here it is. Okay, now the thing is running again in ET80. Amy, hello. Random videos. Hello, random videos. Thank you very much for being here. I'm going to stop this thing. I remember using Glassfish within NetBeans like 15 years ago. I know my way. I know my way in this stuff, but somehow I screwed myself. I suppose. Thank you very much. Videos random. Videos random. So I will try again this thing just to do it the right thing, the right way, the proper, properly, you know, it's running, yeah. Now, hello, videos random. Okay. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for your suggestion. And let's stop this thing. I will take a look at TikTok. Okay, thank you very much for being here and supporting this adventure. Thank you very much. See you any other day, maybe later with some English reading. I'm not sure. But yeah, thank you, and I need to play the guitar. Bye. Bye, everybody. I don't know what else. This guy is because he's here, this person, but bye to everybody, and hopefully tomorrow we will be tackling this RESTful web service. But for today, it was good, a good comeback to Spring. You know, don't be afraid of these technologies. There is a plenty of documentation over here. As Steve Jobs said, you need to be willing to crash and burn. Thank you very much. Bye.